Welcome, and this is how to fix WhatsApp not showing last seen. So, in order for you to fix this issue, go for the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and just simply go to the settings. Now, here on the settings, just simply go for privacy, and you should be able to see down below read receipts. So make sure guys to turn this on in order for you to fix the issue. And now you should be able to see as well over here last seen and online. You should be able to make some changes over here. And now guys, if it doesn't work out, you can just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply search for the WhatsApp, and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And as you can see, when there is any update, just simply update it over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.